Follow the strategy I'm about to share with you, and you will not look back at your old job. A couple of days ago, this secret AI brand released a new feature that can create viral YouTube automation videos in less than 10 minutes.
And here is where things get tricky. My viewers don't want to know about AI, don't want to know about YouTube, views, virality, or anything of that sort. All they want to know is how they can make some extra income from a side hustle. Whether you say fortunately or unfortunately, your income is directly related to the views you get on your videos. Well, that's a bold claim, Mosh. You're saying that videos are the only way to make money? No, I'm not saying that. What I'm saying is the videos are the easiest ways to earn money online. Because all your customers who are paying you money to buy stuff from you, whether it's your product or affiliate product that you are promoting as an affiliate, they are all watching videos. Let me show you an example. From this Warrior Plus account, we made $35,172 in affiliate commissions, and it's 90% passive income. So what did we do? We did only one thing. We made videos, and in our videos, we asked people to click our links in the bio or in the description. When people clicked our links, some of them purchased from our links and we made this money. And none of our videos gone viral. So we made all those money without going viral. Instead of looking at the money, look at these numbers. These are the average income we are earning from each visitor we are getting on our affiliate links. This offer average 37 cents. This offer $1.27. This offer $1.65. So if you just consider this offer from only 254 visitors, some people purchased from us and we made $420 in affiliate commission. So now you understand the value of views. Views equals money, but that's not all. You can make money directly from views. YouTube pays you $3,000 to $5,000 for each 1 million views. Facebook pays you $8,750 to $10,000 for 1 million views. TikTok pays you starting from $100 to $600 to way up to $1,000 per million views. Did I get your attention?
Long form, shorts, whatever you want. It's crazy. There are channels out there using this strategy to make thousands of dollars a month.
Now the purpose of this video is to show you an application, how easy it is. You just add a little text prompt and the video created. You publish the video and make all the money, but unfortunately, it doesn't work that way. People are not stupid. They just don't watch something that has no value. So you need to learn the step-by-step process to go from $0 to $100 per day to $1,000 per day. Pay attention, the name of the process is called Create. C-R-E-A-T-E. Total 6 steps. You will make all your money in this step, so stay tuned. Step number 1, choose your niche. I'm very interested in AI, so I searched with AI on YouTube and I kept scrolling down to look for a hint. And I found this channel, got interested. I looked at this channel and this is what I found. They started around 4 years ago and they used to get 2,000, 28,000, 12,000, 10,000, 15,000 views. And for 4 years, they did not upload any videos. All of a sudden, when they discovered AI, they started to upload videos again. And guess what? The first video they made with AI got 11,000 views. Then 8,000, 8,000, then a big jump, 33,000, then a big jump, 159,000 views, 190,000 views, and this is almost 700,000 views. Now, all these videos are like 2 minutes, 3 minutes long, completely AI generated. They are getting tons of attention, tons of viewers and tons of traffic. Can you do it? Just go watch their videos. I'm sure you can do it all by yourself. Generate images using Midjourney and make simple image videos using CapCut. That's the shortcut. But we want to learn deep in details. So you do a little research on AI tools. And one of these great AI tools is right here.
This secret AI tool I've been talking about is called InVideo AI. You might have heard about it before. But here's the interesting thing. They just released a new tool that can create viral long-form YouTube videos from scratch that people actually want to watch. It's not like the videos that could be made before. This is a whole nother level of AI videos.
In case you're wondering how good they are, I'll give you an example. This is a practical use case. I personally made this video myself.
What if I told you that minutes from now you could tap into a $35.2 billion industry by launching your very own AI-powered news web?
It's not a flashy AI video. It's a basic video, but I made it with InVideo AI just a month ago. And when we launched this product using this video sales letter, it did multiple 5 figures in just 1 week. So the InVideo AI made videos actually work. Of course, if you make interesting videos like this that people want to watch, go try them. Now, here is something ethical and religious. I am Muslim. I'm careful about what I create, what I watch, and what I offer people to watch. It's important for me, so I would never make exactly this kind of videos. And I would not recommend anyone to make this kind of videos just for the sake of views. Because as you can see, these videos just focused on creating attractive women, which is not acceptable for me, for my ethics, and for my religion. If you don't know any niche and you're ready to accept anything, then I would tell you about history. Just go and type history on the search bar on YouTube and add a space. You will get tons and tons of suggestions. Take one of the suggestions, take the stories, rewrite those stories using AI, and make history videos using AI. This is a random topic, history of China, hundreds of thousands of views. This video got 1.4 million views. This one, 8.3 million views. They have stories, and you can turn those stories into your AI videos. So we just covered the next step, engage AI for video creation. Now, if you are picky and choosy and a perfectionist, then you can also apply edits. It may take some time, but editing will make your video polished and provide a higher standard. You must be waiting for money. Here is the money. Target platforms. In fact, you should start your journey from this step. You should start from targeting platforms and choose your niche accordingly. What I mean is, you're going to make one video every time and upload that video in multiple pages, multiple channels on multiple social media platforms. I'm talking about Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, and even X or Twitter. So you want to choose a niche that might attract audience from all these platforms. So whether your videos go viral or not, you get decent amount of traffic. And the next one is enhance monetization. Again, you need to go back to the platforms and find out how you're going to monetize your videos. Whether it's just with views, like you can make money from Facebook, YouTube, TikTok, but is there an opportunity that you can sell something and make money from your Instagram fan page as well? If that is the case, you can put your link on Instagram bio, get traffic, make sales, and make money. But you have to choose your niche accordingly, and you have to make a monetization plan well in advance. Now, here is the final tip. I personally do not depend on views, and I don't rely on other platforms, send me a lot of traffic, go viral, and I'll make thousands of dollars from millions of views. Because honestly, it's not that easy. So here is what we do, and we teach our beginner members of our Done For You and mentorship program. We use AI to learn valuable skills and gain knowledge fast. And based on these, we make short form videos. Then we publish them on Facebook, YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram. These platforms send us some traffic, sometimes a lot of traffic, sometimes little traffic, but all the traffic go to our AI-powered automated funnel. This automated sales funnel does the selling on our behalf. And when there is a sale, we earn $500 to $1,000 in passive affiliate commission. So this way we have the opportunity to make money from views if they go viral. And if videos don't go viral, we make money from leads and sales. If you want to know more about our program, how we help our beginners with a 99% done for you system, and a lot of them made $300, $500, $1,000 in affiliate commissions, then check the free training link in the description. Watch the free training, you will love it. After watching the free training, if you think this program is the right fit for you, feel free to ask me any question on Instagram. I'll be more than happy to answer you. By the way, did you like our video? If not, hit the like button and share it with your friends and family. Subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet, because tomorrow we are going to upload a new video and YouTube will notify you if you subscribe. Switch on the notification bell button. And if you want to learn more techniques on making money, free traffic, building online business, check these videos, and we will see you on the next one.